Hi, I'm Marissa McHugh, and welcome to The Surgical Sewist. Welcome to my series on quick and easy EPP tips. Today, I'm going to show you how to baste some diamonds. Let's go. Place your fabric right side down and your shape on top. Pick one edge to start on, and put one line of glue on the paper piece's edge. Fold your fabric over just that edge. Now, move on to the next side. You want some glue on the fabric from the previous fold and the rest on the paper piece. Hold the piece down so it doesn't pop up and move to the next side. Some of your glue is going to be on the fabric and some on the paper piece. You want to make sure that the fabric folds over the paper piece tight enough so that you can see the edge, but not so tight that you can't sew it together later. Once you do your fourth edge, your piece is basted. You see that this has tails on either side. You're just going to push them out of the way later when you're sewing. This is correct and how this piece should look when you're finished. This is a 36-degree diamond. The process is the same for this diamond, which is 60 degree. You take your fabric and put it right side down, and then put your paper piece on top. Make a line of glue on one edge and fold over your fabric. Move along to the next edge, one line of glue and fold over your fabric. One line of glue over the edge, fold over your fabric. And finally, the last edge, one line of glue. This is going to go over the fabric a bit and then fold your fabric edge over. This also has two tails, which you will push out of the way later when you're sewing. Thanks for watching, and follow The Surgical Sewist for more tips on quick and easy EPP.